I swear, ridiculous, yeah, ridiculous. Money in the brown paper bag, ridiculous. Swear, ridiculous, yeah, ridiculous. Money in the brown paper bag, ridiculous. Swear.
Well, you guys, we just did a sew-in with 18 inches raw Indian hair. We did 18 and 20 inches. When she comes back down, we're gonna wet her hair and kind of, put some oil and get some hydration going. The hair is beautiful. I'm so impressed with the hair. I just want to see how it holds up with manipulation. People talk about the raw hair, that it lasts them for so long, they can keep it up to a year of, washing and conditioning and really taking care of it. You take care of it like your own hair. Raw hair is directly from India, and it's from one donor. The women go to the temple to sacrifice their hair, and they shave it off their head, one donor. My hope is when I go to India that I'm able to actually see that happening at the temple, so I can videotape it to show you guys where the hair is actually coming from. So Denise, come on in. She wet her hair. We're gonna put some moisture on it.
I put some leave-in conditioner in there.
Well, you can get it all wet.
Orient handmade. That's good enough.
Nice. Okay, we're gonna put some melanin oil.
Too much, don't be wasting my oil.
Not too much, just a drop, guys.
Oh,
There you go, about the size of a $50. Is that a good bidder?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's get it in the hair.
You can put more if you think it needs though.
Yeah, we'll put a little bit more. This is a lot of hair going on here.
You can put more.
Smells good. Is it very expensive since you don't want us to use a whole lot?
No, $17.
Oh,
I think.
well, why
And
you
it
being
lasts a long time.
She being cheap with the oil, y'all.
Well, you can put more if you want to put more.
I must be hurting her hair. She keep pulling her head back.
Did I?
Oh, that looks good. Nice sheen, and it's actually adding a nice shape, a nice wave to the hair. Oh, that looks beautiful on camera. Wow, look at that hair. Glossy. As I mentioned before, she has henna in her natural hair. So we did a sew-in with the leave out. So the red is in her natural hair. I believe that some of the bundles that you do get from India, the women use a lot of henna. So you may actually find some of this red hair streaks in their hair. Unfortunately, when I ordered the hair from this vendor to test, they didn't send me any hair that was affected by henna. So it would have been awesome to blend it in her hair that way. But that looks really nice. That oil is nice. I have to invest in some of that oil. Okay, yeah, it makes a difference now that your hair. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. So we're here tonight. Denise came over. This is the girl that I did the sewing with the raw hair. She's crocheting right now and not really looking at me, but she'll look in a minute. So you guys, this hair is awesome. She's washed it already. It's nice and soft. It's curly. This is the raw Indian hair from the Indian temple, and it's the body wave. And it's just really just natural, and it's just soft. You can put oils in it. You can, she likes to plait it like her own hair, but I'm going to let her talk. So tell us about your experience with the hair.
Okay, so mostly first of all, it takes the leave-in conditioner and stuff like that really well. I put some Orient handmade leave-in conditioner in there, and I did some melanin hair care, the oil, and that almost straightened it out really. And so I wore it like in maybe 2 or 3 braids every day. And then yesterday I washed it, and I actually co-washed it and conditioned it and all that stuff. And it came out really nice. Nice, really popping curls, but a little bit straight, but kind of cute on your shoulders.
Any matting with the hair?
None. No matting, no. What really surprised me is my own hair. When I detangle, it's like a big ball of hair. This hair, I thought that I would get some of it coming out of the wefts or doing something like that. I got like maybe 1 or 2 strands.
Okay,
perfect. I mean,
literally
like nothing.
Okay, so
that's really surprising. And even when I brush it or comb it or any of that, none of it's falling out. Nothing on my shoulders, nothing on my floor. My husband even was, he said, yeah, I noticed there's no hair in the shower.
Yeah, that's the biggest thing with the hair when you're combing this all over the floor in the bathroom, and that's what we're trying to get away from. So,
Yeah.
guys, that means that this company, they're actually sewing it like they said. They're doing a triple sew back and forth to ensure that we're not going to have much shedding. Again, it's hair sewed on a weft, so I think over time, if you're damaging the hair, any hair is going to shed. But initially, I want you guys to have good quality hair that's not shedding, that's not tangling, that you can wash and go or do whatever you would do with your natural hair. So we're going to end the video here. We got our review. We're happy about it. We will post it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.